So we wanted to demolish the guest room downstairs and make the entire living room larger, and considering having like a bar area.
You see the blue marker? That is actually a column that holds the structure, so we actually can't demolish that. So it's going to be in the way.
Ah, okay.
Ever come across this issue before? Tearing down a wall only to find out a column appears in the middle of nowhere. This is a common issue faced by homeowners when renovating their old properties. Are you getting your keys to your new unit? Or planning to renovate your existing property? This is the right channel for you. Renovating your own property can be quite a challenge if you don't get things right. With over 15 years of pioneering the interior design scene, we have completed over 500 projects varying in all shapes and sizes. With all the experience and knowledge we have gained, we started this channel to share, educate and assist all of you to realize your dream home. If you're not subscribed to our channel yet, do it now and stay in the loop of more interior design and renovation tips to assist you in realizing your dream home. Today's episode on Design Seed, we will be featuring a design tour of a 34 by 80 semi-detached villa located in a luxury modern township in Klang Valley. The clients wanted to alter the existing layout to suit their daily lifestyle. The intention was to recreate a new space at the ground floor to cater for a bar area, sacrificing one existing guest room. Demolishing the walls weren't an issue. The two hurdles that we had to tackle was matching the existing floor tiles for the demolished wall and strategize how we could design around the column that's right in the center of the bar area. We demolished the existing guest room, changed the entire general space floor tiles into the grey St. Laurent marble. As for the column, it was indeed a challenge. To relocate the column was going to incur massive costs and would require proper engineering calculations. We decided to highlight the column as a center masterpiece. Meeting the client's requirement of being able to display their liquid collection, we turned the column into an oval-shaped tube display cabinet that is adjacent to a bar top in a graceful organic form. Curved glass swing doors with timber veneer splashback, creating the perfect combination for classy display shelving, camouflaging the awkward column that was initially an eyesore of the bar area. We didn't want any white walls as the backdrop to the sculptured bar area, hence we decided to dress up all the walls with the right carpentry works. By doing so, we created the opportunity to have a hidden entrance to the powder room and a hidden entrance to the storeroom under the staircase. This gives the home a strong character of grandeur and luxury compared to the initial flooring and white walls. Ceiling designs can also play an impactful role in the overall design concept. We emphasize on a lot of curves in this project, inspired by the idea of an eclipse. We wanted to create a shy of diffuse lighting in an organic form that flows across the newly extended area, which connects back down to the existing staircase.
So we actually got to know a lot of people within this neighborhood. It's actually very good to live in a close community where the neighbors share like the same lifestyle and the same interests. Actually, my husband and I, we always hope for like a serene and a peaceful environment for our home. One of the features that I really love is actually the lush landscape, and the size of the house definitely fits our requirement. But at the west side, we actually knew that we need a larger kitchen. The initial kitchen was small. So we actually still wanted to fit like a small island. So hence it is like very necessary for me to extend it.
The kitchen is designed with pull-out cabinet drawers for storage and a compact size island to improve the working flow of the kitchen. A tastefully designed kitchen entrance in stainless steel gold finish frames the fluted glass, separating the living and the kitchen, providing not only a sense of privacy, but aesthetically complementing the bar area. The living space is positioned after the entrance of the house. A marble TV wall with a curved timber louvered design at the top without using a TV cabinet but a slightly raised platform of matching marble to the TV wall creates a minimalist sleek design. The outdoor area with a water fountain and a yard creates a calming ambience to the property. When the sliding door is open, the sound of the flowing water calms the interior, and when you step outside, you get to enjoy the small outdoor pocket space and the morning sun. The master bedroom on the first floor extends out to form a lounge area. Darker tonalities are used with the headboard stretches from the display cabinet to the wardrobe, creating a comfortable ambience for resting. With an addition of the curved stainless steel design at the headboard projecting the ceiling light and integrating the table lamp, it creates a statement to the master bedroom and gives a modern feel to the space. The wardrobe also provides convenience and space for the owners, having pull-out drawers and jewelry boxes, making the wardrobe neat and tidy. The owners can relax wherever they want, on the lounge sofa, on the bed, or even on the ensuite bathroom with an attached sauna room. Owners value their children's hobbies and ask for shelvings that help tidy up their rooms, and at the same time allow for their collections to be displayed. The kids' rooms are designed uniquely with different moods and tonalities. One of their sons' room has the same problem as the dry kitchen, the column in the middle of the room. We countered this problem by using the column as a guideline to create a partition that separates the study room and the resting area. Every client has different requirements. Every project is uniquely different in their own way. But the most satisfying thing being in this industry is that we get to experience how our designs impact the lives of our clients. We hope you learned a tip or two in regards to designing your home in today's episode. We put a lot of thoughts in crafting contents for all of you, so help us by sharing your comments on the comment column below if there is anything you would like to learn about interior design and renovations. And we may consider featuring some of them in the upcoming episodes. Don't forget to support us and subscribe and click on the notification bell. I'll see you guys again next week. Thank you for watching.